In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send email in Freshsales Crm. To begin, go to Freshsales and open the Deals module. Before you select anything, make sure you are working in list view, not the Kanban board. Look for the table style icon that switches the layout into rows and columns. List view is important here because bulk actions, like sending an email to multiple deals, are easiest to access and manage from the table format. Next, narrow down which deals you want to contact. Click the filter icon and set the conditions that match your goal. For example, you might filter by a specific deal stage, such as negotiation, so you only email deals that are at the right point in your pipeline. Taking a moment to filter carefully helps you avoid contacting the wrong group and keeps your outreach more relevant. Once your list is showing the right deals, select the records you want to email. If you only need a few deals, check the boxes next to each deal name. If you want to email every deal currently shown in this filtered view, use the checkbox in the header row near the name column. That header checkbox is a fast way to select everything on the screen without clicking each row one by one. After you make your selection, a bulk actions tray will appear, usually at the top or bottom of the page. In that tray, click the bulk email icon. This opens the email composer designed for sending one message across multiple selected deals. Now it is time to compose and personalize your message. Freshsales automatically targets the primary contact associated with each selected deal, so you do not need to add recipients manually. As you write your email, use placeholders, such as the contact first name placeholder, to personalize each message. This ensures every recipient sees their own details filled in automatically. If you want to move faster and stay consistent, choose a pre-saved email template, then adjust the wording as needed for this specific audience. Finally, review your email content and confirm everything looks correct. When you are ready, choose whether to send immediately or schedule the email for a later time, depending on your timing and workflow. That covers everything you need to know.